Good morning. It's Tuesday, October 10th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update, starting off with the big news for the rest of this week, and that will be a lot of rain for South Georgia. This is the European Ensemble modeling showing the bulk of the rain is going to be south of I-20. Parts of South Georgia could see more than 3 inches of rain, locally higher amounts in a few spots. And so in North Georgia, not a whole lot going on. This is all part of a tropical system, which we'll talk about in just a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar now. This is the radar satellite composite. So a little more cloud cover this morning compared to the last few mornings. And we see those clouds moving from west to east. No rain picking up on radar this morning. And temperatures are quite a bit warmer. So yesterday we had the 30s and 40s. This morning we have the 40s and 50s. So noticeably mild temperatures as we get started this morning. Still a little chilly out there, but we're going to see those temperatures continue to warm just a bit. Let's zoom out and take a look at our tropical systems. What's going to bring all that rain? In the bottom of your screen, that L, that's Invest 93L, could turn into a tropical storm. A lot of models say probably will. About half the models say it will. The other half say maybe just a tropical depression. But one way or another, it's going to be producing a lot of rainfall as it continues to move up toward the north. You can see all the little thin lines on the screen. So that's the spaghetti models for 3 storms. All right, I know that's a lot to take in, but basically what we're saying is Invest 93L or Max, which is overland Mexico right now. You can see in the bottom left of the screen, and Lydia, which is just off to the screen to the left. If any of those storms make it out into the Gulf of Mexico, obviously Invest 93L is already there, they're going to move toward the north, move up toward Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, and possibly bring in some rain in South Georgia. We're not looking at a hurricane threat for South Georgia, but we are looking at the potential of all 3 of these storms bringing some showers our direction. So one more look here. This is the tropical outlook that we have for the Atlantic Basin. So the yellow X, that's 93L. That's going to continue to move our way. We have the red X way out there to the east. A long way to go, but a good chance that'll become a named storm over the next 48 hours. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at the modeling this morning. Pretty quiet out there as we move through the day today. Again, quite a bit of cloud cover. We have what's called a zonal flow, which is kind of moving across the top of that high-pressure system, those clouds going west to east. So not a whole lot of excitement with the weather for today. Just going to see a mix of sun and clouds. We move through the afternoon and evening hours, also pretty quiet. But then overnight tonight, let's start to watch this storm move in. So as we head into tomorrow morning, we'll start to see those showers moving in to southern Alabama, into the panhandle of Florida, and then a few showers possible in southwest Georgia by tomorrow afternoon. And then we really start to pick up the intensity by tomorrow evening. Rain likely anywhere in the state of Georgia, but the heaviest rain, again, going to stay mainly south of Interstate 20, and you really want to get the heavy rain, you're going to be south of Macon. And then as we move through the day on Thursday, this is the American model, shifting the storm a little bit more toward the north. Probably not going to be this far north, but either way, still going to be picking up heavy rain through Valdosta, Statesboro, Savannah, and into Waycross. And then as we head into Thursday morning, still have those showers back on the backside. The storm's kind of stretched out, and so that's why it's not perfectly a circle. So we're going to hang on to those showers a little bit longer than a typical tropical system all the way through Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Even some showers and thunderstorms in the Friday as well. The atmosphere is still going to be fairly unsettled as we head into Friday, and leftover showers possible Saturday, but I think we see some clearing by Saturday afternoon across the state. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.